Welcome everyone in the 9 plus CGPA MCQ series. And friends, in this particular video we will see the MCQs from the unit number 1 of CHE110 environmental chemistry, and this is the unit, and name of the unit is introduction and natural resource. So let's proceed with the first question. First question is, what terms describe the ability to meet the energy needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs? So this term, what is this term describe? So sustainable energy is the term which describes the above. So option A will be correct here. Moving to the next one, which of the following is a non-renewable energy resource? Now see, solar energy is the renewable, wind energy is the renewable, coal is not a renewable energy resource, means it's a non-renewable energy resource. Option C will be correct. Next question, what is the primary cause of conflicts over water resource? Option D will be correct. Limited availability is the primary cause of conflict over water resource. Next question is, over-exploitation of water resources can lead to what? Option A, increased water availability. Option B, water pollution. Option C, enhanced groundwater recharge. And last option is reduction in water scarcity. Now the correct option is option number B, water pollution. Now most of you will confuse how water pollution is the cause of overuse of water. Now see, if we overuse the water, then the level of the groundwater will be decreases, or level of the water, anywhere's water will be decreases, and the concentration of the pollutants will be increases, and hence water pollution will be increased. So option B will be correct, water pollution. Next question is, what is the term for the process of restoring and replacing forest that have been depleted or damaged? So this is the term reforestation. Reforestation is the term for the process of restoring and replacing forests that have been depleted or damaged. So reforestation, option B will be correct. Next question, which what is the primary source of energy for most of the world's population? So primary source of energy for most of the world population is option B, fossil fuels is the primary source of energy. Next question, which of the following is a renewable resources? Now the question is about renewable resources. So petroleum is not a renewable, coal is also not a renewable, natural gas is also not renewable resources. So option C will be correct. Wind energy is a renewable resources. Next question, which of the following is not a consequence of land degradation? Which of the following is not a consequence of land degradation? Option is decreased agriculture productivity, increased biodiversity. Option C, soil erosion, and last option is desertification. Option D will be correct. Increased biodiversity is not a consequence of land degradation. Next one, what is the primary cause of soil erosion? Now see the options carefully. Deforestation, urbanization, agricultural practice, and desertifications. These are the options given to you, and all those options are the primary cause of soil erosion. But in the option all of the above option is not given. So correct option will be option number C, agriculture practice, because agriculture practice is the most common cause of soil erosion, is the primary cause. I know that deforestation, urbanization, and desertification is also the cause of soil erosion, but the primary cause of soil erosion is agriculture practice. So option C will be correct. Next question, human activities plays a significant role in what? So human activities plays a significant role in depletion of natural resource. Option A will be correct. Next question, conservation of natural resource involves overuse and exploitation. Option B, preservation for future generation, wasteful consumption, and depletion of resources. Option B will be correct, preservation for future generation. Next question, which of the following is an example of alternate energy source? Geothermal energy is an example of alternate energy source. Option C is correct. Next one, over exploitation of groundwater resource can lead to can lead to aquifer depletion. Option B will be correct. Next question. So again the question, same question was there. If you overuse the groundwater, then what will happen? Aquifer depletion is also there. Lowering of groundwater table is also there, and water pollution is also there. So according to the options given here, B will be correct. Next question is, what is the term for the process of converting forest area to non-forest land for human use, such as agriculture or urban development? Option C will be correct. Deforestation is the term. Next question. Which type of natural resource is soil erosion primarily associated with? So very simple question, land resources. Option C is correct. Next question. What is the primary goal of sustainable development? Sustainable development, the primary goal is economic growth, society, social equity, and environmental protection. All of the options are correct. Option D is correct. Next question. What is the term for the use of energy sources that are not depleted when used, such as wind or solar power? Option A is correct, renewable energy. Next question. What is the primary focus of environmental studies? So the primary focus of environmental studies is to environmental conservation and sustainability. Option C is correct. Next question. Which of the following is not considered a natural resource? So plastic is not considered as a natural resource. Very simple question. Next question. Which natural resource is characterized as renewable resource? Given option is coal, natural gas, solar energy, and petroleum. So from the given option, from the given option, just a minute. From the given option, which of the following is natural resource is characterized as a renewable resource? Option C is correct. Solar energy is characterized as a renewable resource. Okay. Next question. Next question is, land resource includes which of the following? So land resource includes soil. Option C is correct. Next question. What is the term for the process by which fertile land becomes desert, typically as a result of drought, deforestation, or inappropriate agriculture? So the term is desertification. Option B is correct. Next question. Which of the following is a major cause of deforestation? Now urbanization is the major cause of deforestation. Option B is correct. Next one. How many sustainable development goals were adopted by the United Nations in 2015? Data questions will also be asked in your exam. Correct option is option number C. Now if you want to see which type of questions will be asked in your exam, you can follow that videos in which I have discussed 90 plus previous year MCQs. I will provide the link of that MCQs in the description box. Make sure to watch those videos also. Next question. Which term best describe the interdisciplinary nature of environmental studies? Option B will be correct. Multidisciplinary. Next one. Soil erosion is the process of, very simple question. Soil erosion is the process of washing away of topsoil by water or wind. Option B is correct. Next one. Land degradation is primarily caused by deforestation and overgrazing. Option C will be correct here. Moving to the next one. Which of the following is not a component of the multidisciplinary nature of environmental studies? Now social science is the component, natural science is the component, humanities are also the component, engineering is not a component of the multidisciplinary nature of environmental studies. Next one, how many pillars of sustainable development are typically recognized? So three pillars are there, and three pillars are typically recognized in sustainable development. Option B will be correct. Next one, soil erosion is most commonly caused by what? Soil erosion is most commonly caused by deforestation. Now again, in that questions we take the correct option as agriculture practice, because And since there is no options like agriculture practice, or so option A will be correct, deforestation. So according to the option, you need to correct the correct option if all of the above option is not given. Next one. The depletion of ozone layer is primarily caused by carbon emission, deforestation, industrial pollutants, or volcanic eruption. Option C is correct. The depletion of ozone layer is primarily caused by industrial pollutants. So this was all about the unit number 1. We will discuss more MCQs of unit number 2 and 3. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye.